Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Forms to Google Calendar step by step. This is extremely useful if you want form submissions to automatically create calendar events. For example, you can use this setup for appointment bookings, meeting schedules, event registrations, interviews, coaching sessions, or classroom scheduling. Instead of manually creating calendar events every time someone fills out a form, the entire process can be automated. The best part is that you don't need coding knowledge to make this work, so let's jump right in. First, open Google Forms and select the form you want to connect to Google Calendar. You can either create a new form or use an existing one. Make sure your form includes important fields related to scheduling. For example, you might want fields like event name, date, start time, end time, email address, or notes. Having these fields ready will make the calendar integration much smoother later on. Once your form is ready, go to the top right corner of Google Forms and click on the 3 vertical dots. From the menu that appears, select Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace where you can install tools that add extra features to Google Forms. Now search for an add-on called Form to Calendar. Once you find it, click on it and install the add-on. During installation, Google will ask you to grant permissions so the add-on can access your Google Forms and Google Calendar. Simply follow the prompts and approve the necessary permissions. Once the installation is complete, return to your Google form. Now, click on the puzzle piece icon near the top right corner of the screen. This is the Add-ons menu. Select Form to Calendar and then choose Configure. At this point, the Setup wizard will open and guide you through connecting your form to Google Calendar. Now, you'll need to map your form fields to the calendar event details. For example, connect the form's title fields to the calendar event title. Then map the date field, start time, and end time to the corresponding calendar event settings. This tells the add-on exactly how the information from the form should appear inside Google Calendar. Next, choose which Google Calendar you want the events to be added to. This is very useful if you manage multiple calendars for work, school, or personal scheduling. You can also customize extra settings depending on your needs. For example, you may add event descriptions, attendee emails, reminders, or meeting details automatically. Once everything is configured, save your settings and test the form. Submit a sample response to make sure the automation works correctly. After submitting the form, open Google Calendar and confirm that the event was created successfully. Testing is very important because it helps you catch mapping mistakes or permission issues before real users start submitting the form. Once everything is working properly, your Google Form and Google Calendar will now work together automatically. From this point forward, every new form submission can instantly create a matching calendar event without manual work. This can save a huge amount of time and make appointment management much more organized and efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Google Forms tutorials and beginner-friendly productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.